Okay, this week guys, you're going to be drawing this part as a review for the CSWA exam. Just want to give you a couple of tips on how to go about drawing this part. First off, you might notice that this part is symmetrical, top to bottom, left to right if we look at it this way. So you can see that a mid-plane extrusion would be a logical way to go about this. If you take a look and study these features, everything is symmetrical with the exception of this one notch right here. So if we ignore that and draw this part completely symmetrical and knock that piece out at the end, we'll be in pretty good shape. Let's take a roll back and look at what was done here. So if we take a look, we've got a single sketch here that covers all of the features with the exception of that notch that I just mentioned. Quick review: to draw a part like this, you're going to use your slot command, right? Remember, just grab your slot command, click, and then dimension it out. Very simple way to do that. The other thing you might notice is there's a center line right here. So if we draw a center line and you incorporate that center line, I didn't draw this part. If I did, I would have had that center line right in the at the origin there. And then just mirror this top to bottom. You can do it dynamic mirror, or you can do it after the fact. So go through, make sure you double check all your dimensions to make sure that you've got your dimensions set, and then a quick review on how to extrude multiple using the same sketch multiple times. What we did here on this, we selected the sketch, we did select contours, and just did this one as a mid-plane extrusion out to whatever those dimensions were. If I want to use that again, you might say, well, Mr. Derry, the sketch isn't available. I can go to Features, go to an Extruded Boss, come over here to my design tree, find that same sketch again, and come back in here and pick these two. Once again, I would do a mid-plane extrusion, right, and whatever those values are. To finish that up, select these two, extrude those out. Final things you need to do would be to come in here and so we can see that this person extruded those, then they extruded those, then they came in, did their cut on the corner there, and then finished it off with the fillets at the end. So it really should take you maybe 10-15 minutes to draw this part.